Hello and welcome to the Coding Bytes. I am Abhishek Parmar, and in this video we are going to see some of the job opportunities. So the first job opportunity is from Wipro. Wipro is conducting Elite National Talent Hunt, and this program is for 2020, 2021 and 2022 batch graduates. So let's first of all see the eligibility criteria. So qualification, you can see BE and BTech and ME Tech 5-year integrated course. So if you are from any of these two courses, you will be eligible, and you should be from full-time courses only which are recognized by the central or state government of India, which means you should not be from part-time or correspondence distance learning program, and same thing is applied for 10th and 12th as well. And all the branches are eligible except fashion technology, textile engineering and food technology. These branches are not eligible. Except this, all the other branches are eligible, like computer science, electronics, electrical, any branch you can say, these branches are eligible. And as I have already mentioned, this hiring is for 2020, 2021 and 2022 batch graduates, and one backlog is allowed till the offer stage, which means you should not have more than one backlog, and you should clear that backlog when you get the offer letter. And you should also have 60% or above in your graduation, 10th and 12th, and there is an age limit of 25 years, so make sure you do not exceed this limit. And the last date is 31st January, and online assessment to be communicated, which means they will let you know about the online assessment process. Now let's see the evaluation process. So first thing is you will have to register, and second thing, there will be an online assessment, and after that assessment there will be business discussion, which means your technical and HR interview, and then you will get an offer letter. And if you see the compensation flow, so joining compensation is 3,50,000, which is your CTC, and you will get a bonus of 25,000 after 6 months of your joining, and you will also get regularly yearly increments, and with this you will also get bonuses on 18th, 24th and 36 months from date of joining. And the compensation will be 3.5 LPA, designation is project engineer, and there will be a service agreement of 12 months. And if you see this additional criteria, so only one backlog is allowed, and if you have applied for any Wipro hiring in last 6 months, you will not be eligible. So this is all about Wipro National Level Talent Hunt. So all you have to do is you have to register from this particular register now button. The link for this page will be given in the description of this video. Now let's move to the next job opportunity. Now the next job opportunity is from Shaadi.com. So they are hiring for data analyst, and the CTC is 10 to 12 LPA. And if you apply for this particular position, so you will have to click on this register for test option, and once you click on this option, you will have to book a free slot, and once you book the slot, you will have to attend the test, and once you clear the test, you will be eligible to interview for this company. Similarly, there is one more opportunity from OneCode, and this company is hiring for software engineer. The CTC is 4 to 6 LPA, and if you want to apply for this company as well, so you will have to register for this test and you will have to attend the test. And this hiring is provided through Relevel by Unacademy, so you can check this out. The links are given in the description of this video. Now let's move to the next job opportunity. So the next off-campus recruitment program is from Infosys. So Infosys is hiring for the role of specialist engineer and digital specialist engineer, and the CTC will be 8 and 6.25 LPA respectively for both of these roles. So if you see the eligibility criteria, the courses which are eligible are BE, BTech, ME Tech, MCA and MSc 5-year integrated course, and the branches which are eligible are computer science engineering, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics, electronics and telecommunication, information science, information technology and mathematics and computing. These branches are eligible, and you should be graduated in the year 2022 only, and the last date for this hiring is 26 December. So make sure you apply before this date. The link will be given in the description of this video, and if you don't want to miss more such opportunities, please subscribe to the Coding Bytes. Thanks for watching.